If you eat 3 eggs a day for 1 month, what really happens to your body? Let's cut through myths and look at the biology. For decades, the egg yolk was cast as a villain. In reality, the yolk is the treasure chest of nutrients. Old guidance linked eggs to heart disease without the nuance of modern research. The idea that eating cholesterol equals clogged arteries is overly simplistic. Large-scale data challenge that narrative. It's time to re-examine this food on its merits. Here is a simple 30-day experiment with 3 whole eggs daily. Whole means the white and the yolk. Together, we will track energy, focus, strength, and blood chemistry signals. Eggs deliver complete protein, essential fats, vitamins, and minerals. Key players include choline for the brain and fat-soluble vitamins in the yolk. Yolks concentrate antioxidants that protect eyes and neural tissue. We will proceed week by week to see what changes first. By the end, you will know exactly where eggs can fit on your plate. All right, let's begin. The first change is quiet. Hunger noise fades. That familiar afternoon crash begins to lift. Sugar urges lose their grip. Because you changed your fuel source. Carbs spike glucose and insulin. The crash triggers stress hormones and cravings. 3 eggs send a different signal. Protein and fat, virtually no sugar. Blood sugar stays steady. Insulin remains low and stable. This unlocks stored fat for fuel. Satiety lasts for hours. The scale may not shift yet, but you feel lighter and less bloated. This is induction, a cleaner, steadier energy supply. Week 1 sets the foundation. By week 2, improvements move from your stomach to your head. Focus sharpens. Tasks feel easier. Brain fog lifts. Memory hiccups lessen. Egg yolks deliver choline, the precursor to acetylcholine. Acetylcholine orchestrates focus, learning, and memory. Many of us come up short on choline. 3 eggs can cover a large share of daily needs. Yolk carotenoids protect vision and support cognition. Pasture-raised eggs also provide DHA, a structural brain fat. Your brain is largely fat. It needs quality lipids. DHA reinforces neural membranes, like better insulation. Neurotransmission can feel faster and clearer. Mood steadies as membranes repair. 2 weeks in, your mind feels more resilient. By week 3, protein quality takes center stage. Not all proteins are equally usable. Eggs are the gold standard for biological value. A lot of powder protein is burned, not built. Egg protein efficiently translates into tissue repair. Muscles repair faster. Soreness eases. Strength supports bone health. Protein also maintains organs and skin. Eggs are like premium materials that fit the build. Skipping yolks lowers the value of the protein you eat. Yolk fats and B vitamins help you utilize the white. You may feel stronger with steadier progress. Crucially, you lose fat while preserving muscle. That is the recomposition sweet spot. Whole eggs deliver the complete package. Week 4 is when concerns about cholesterol surface. 3 eggs contain about 600 milligrams of cholesterol. Old limits lacked context. Cholesterol is essential for cell membranes and healing. Your liver self-regulates production based on intake. Cholesterol often shows up at inflammation. It is not the cause. It is also the raw material for steroid hormones. These govern drive, strength, cycles, mood, and stress response. Chronic low-fat diets can bottleneck hormone synthesis. With steady dietary supply, hormones can rebalance. Men may feel more drive and strength. Women may see steadier cycles and mood. Pattern matters. Shifting toward larger, fluffy LDL can improve risk profile. Total cholesterol alone is not the whole story. Work with your clinician for personalized interpretation. This week can feel like a hormonal reset. Consistency is what reveals the change. Results hinge on egg quality. These can still mean crowded barns with minimal outdoor access. Look for pasture-raised, outdoor life, varied diet. Pasture-raised yolks run deep orange from carotenoids. Pasture eggs often deliver more vitamin A, E, D, and omega-3s like DHA. Gentle cooking protects fragile nutrients. Blasting heat can oxidize cholesterol and degrade vitamins. Soft-boiled, firm white, runny yolk. Poached, gentle and intact. Over easy. Set the white, keep the yolk molten. For scrambles, low and slow, finish off heat for custardy curds. Refrigerate eggs and practice basic food safety. Consider baseline labs and a 30-60-day recheck. If you have cardiovascular disease or FH, consult your clinician first. Immunocompromised, very elderly, or pregnant. Prefer fully cooked eggs. Start simple. 1 week, 3 gently cooked eggs each morning.